Folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Check it out. So in this video here, first of all, Merry Christmas, okay, and a Happy New Year. Smash the like button, show me some love. But listen, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without creating videos. You don't have to record. As a matter of fact, you're looking at a page right now. It's brand new. And I did this on purpose because people were asking me, like you in the comment section below, well, Wesley, I don't want to show my face. I want people to see me. Is it possible that I could do this incognito when no one knows who I am and make a ton of money? Well, look, this channel right now, obviously, I don't know how to speak Spanish. Maybe uno, dos, tres. That's about it. And as you can see here, I did not create, record any of these videos, but I'm going to show you something. Because, listen, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get monetized. I'm going to show you how to do it. And I'm going to show you how to do it very quickly within 30 days to get monetized so you can make money on autopilot so you can leave your job, drop out of school, whatever you want to do. Check it out. So let me be very transparent here. Let me go to my menu here. If I go to YouTube Studio here, okay, let me show you. And let me move my big head over here. Give me a second here, okay? And listen, smash the like button if I give you any value. Listen, don't smash the like button if I don't give you any value. If I'm not doing a good job, then please, look at this. This is true. This is legit. Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. I did this in about 30 days right here. And like I said, I didn't create these videos. I didn't do much of anything. And I'm going to show you what you can do without doing any videos yourself and dominate YouTube. I'm going to try to do it very quickly here. And you're going to love me. And you're going to smash the like button because what? You love when I say, let's go. So check it out. This is easy. Step number one. You got to have a YouTube freaking channel, okay? Now, listen, if you're watching YouTube right now, you're halfway there. Create you a free channel, okay? So all you got to do is for free, make sure you have a Google account, all right? As you can see, this is mine. All you do is go to settings here, and you go to create channel, and your channel will be created, okay? Number two, you have to create a niche. What's a niche? Let me give you an example here. Many of you are going to like this because I'm going to give you a head start. Check it out. Let me give you the niches that I know that work. They work because I have YouTube channels in many different sectors on YouTube right now. I do about $30,000 to $40,000 a month. Not a lot of money here, but I think that may change your life. Can I get an amen? Smash the like button. So check it out. Type this in. Weight loss. Dominate. You can dominate. I did a video in the weight loss niche. Let me show you. Let me show you a video that I did that basically made me pretty famous here. You know what I'm saying? 9-second abs. Many of you guys have seen this video before. You see this right here? So that ab video here 7 years ago when I was broke. I was fit. I was working out, but I was broke, right? But that video right here really made me a little bit more popular on YouTube. Listen, write this down and ram this in the back of your head. Consistency is key on YouTube. That's all you got to be is consistent. If you create a video once a day, I'm telling you, within 30 days, if you follow this strategy, you will monetize and you'll be making $10 to $20 to up to $100 a day initially. And it just goes up because that's how the YouTube algorithm works here, okay? So look, weight loss is the niche. Another great niche is make money online, which is the niche that I'm in, right? I make money online. I'm trying to help you make money online right now. You probably feel good about that, and you will. Just stay to the very end, okay? And another niche is relationships, like how to get a man, how to get the man, or how to get the woman. Love, relationships. These are very popular. Even right now, I'm partnering with people, and they're doing it. As a matter of fact, I want to partner with one of you by the end of this video in the comment section below because I want to show you I'm helping so many people build their YouTube channels. And all you need to do is listen. Listen and make content. I'm going to tell you what to create, and you can do it fast. So listen, once you pick your niche, once you have a YouTube channel, the next thing is this. Obviously, you got to get the videos recorded. But let me show you a site that basically this person does not create their own videos. They do nothing. Look, Brainy Dose. You see Brainy Dose? These folks, it's nothing but videos with images and a voiceover. It's not their voice, and it's not their images. Well, Wesley, where do I get the images from? Easy. Stay with me here. right here. It's called Pixabay. It is free, stock images. They're not copyrighted. You can download it right now, and you can use them when you're making the YouTube video right now today, because I want all of you to do it today. Pick your niche, create a channel, and I want you to make your first YouTube video today without doing almost any work at all. So Pixabay allows you to extrapolate images. This is what I do. And you put them in the actual video with a voice. Now you may say, well, Wesley, I don't want to use my voice. No problem. None. Watch this. Fiverr.com. Go to Fiverr.com. Okay. Smash the like button if you're enjoying this. Like, this is what I do. In the beginning, yeah, I did all the hard work. But now, since I've learned this, it's so many tools online and services. They'll do all this stuff for you. And I'm monetizing channels every 30 days. Imagine if you started a channel today. You follow everything what you heard in the video, and you monetize that channel every 30 days. It is too simple to make $5,000 a month. Think about it. You'll leave your job. You won't go to school. You do what you want to do. Just put in the work and be very consistent. That's the game. That is the YouTube game. Everybody's watching YouTube. No one's watching Netflix. No one's watching Amazon Prime. No one's watching TV. They're on YouTube. So listen, get in now. So you type in voiceover here, scroll down, and find somebody for $10, $5 to do the voiceover for all your videos. You give them a script, and guess what? You know where the script comes from? From modeling a channel that already does well. You see that? You could take this channel, or you can go here. Like, you know what I like to do? Like something like cats. I know this sounds crazy, but watch this. Cat videos, man, they do very well. 115 million views. 115 million views is equivalent to about, in one day, almost close to $50,000 to $100,000 a day. You can just take cat videos. You might say, well, Wesley, I can't take that cat video. Listen, this is what you do. You go to filter. This is a trick. Smash the like button. This is a trick. Watch this. Because it's all about, you can use content and monetize other people's content. This is the bonus. Listen here. Going to Creative Commons. That means that these YouTubers allow you to use their videos. So what I do on another channel, my pet's channel, and maybe I might show you here. Smash the like button, and maybe I'll hook it up. Okay? Look at this. In the comment section below, say, hook it up, Wes. Look. You see that 2 million views? It's Creative Commons, which means I can download that video and I can upload it to my cat channel and I can use it. I already know it does well. Okay, and then the next step is you have to optimize it. If you want to optimize anything on the internet, you got to go to this site. Listen, vidiq.com. This is what everybody uses. Mr. Beast, Logan Paul, Jake Paul, every YouTuber that does well, they use vidIQ, okay? I use this and I kill it. Smash the like button because I'm giving you all these tools here. Show me some love. Sub to the channel. You know what people hate about me? No, not because I talk loud. It's because I just expose what internet marketers don't want you to know. They don't want you to know this. They want you to spend 5 years to monetize a channel. In 30 days, you will monetize your first channel. I want you to comment below and say, yes, I can do this. So you use vidIQ to optimize it. And all you do is you take the cat video, you put into vidIQ, and you take the tags, you can take the thumbnail, and you can take the title. And what vidIQ does for you, it will change it around a little bit to make it very similar to it. So it'll be a guarantee for you to get this video a ton of views, okay? If you're with me, right? Now, listen, the last step is, obviously, it's 2 ways I do this. Sometimes I edit my videos. Sometimes I just post them. As a matter of fact, years ago, and let me show you something here. Stay with me. Watch this. I'm going to show you something I've never showed before, but since I love you so much, I'm going to show you. Check it out. So let me go to one of my channels here. This is my main channel, which is Wesley Virgin here. I have 448,000 subscribers here. And let me show you this channel right here. In the beginning, when I started making videos, I did not do any edits because I didn't have time. I didn't feel like it. And I wanted to test it because you know how people say, you got to edit videos. You got to make it look good. Look, I'm in my bed. I'm by myself. I have no clothes on. And I'm making a video for you to make money on YouTube right now, okay? Don't believe the lies. Look at this. Let me show you something here. I'm going to be very transparent here. This channel does about $20,000 to $30,000 a month here. And if I go here and I do date, look at this. If I go back years ago, 2009, look at this. These videos, they're not edited. They're not edited. They're not edited. Not edited. These are not edited videos. But I was consistent. That's all you got to be, is consistent. Think of YouTube like a bank account. The more videos you put in, the more money that will pay you in the long run. But the great thing, because of all these tools now, in 30 days, you can make videos without even doing it yourself, okay? But if you want to edit, just hire somebody on Fiverr for $5. They'll do all the edits for you. They'll do 30 videos for $5. And what I do is I leave a link below of the person that'll do that for you. Listen, can you do this? Of course. Now, I know some of you might say, well, Wesley, is there an easier way to do this? Listen, this is what I want to offer to you. You don't have to get it. You don't have to do anything. But what I do with these people that I partner with, they all pay me about $2,000 a month to do their YouTube channels. And I build it for them from scratch. And I basically get to the point that I'm making $2,000 to $5,000 a month. But this is what I want to do for you for the first 10 people. Right now, I have a software. I partner with a guy. It's a software. It's powerful. It's going to do everything I just showed you from a click of a button automatically. So it'll be a 360-degree change in your life financially. So what took 30 days would take less than 10 days to do if you do it right. What I want to do, if you look under this video here, in the link below, under the video, in the description here, is a freaking website here. It says, Do It For Me West. Click it for $17. First 10 people, it's yours. You can have it. And it's going to blow your mind. All it's going to do, everything I just showed you, listen, it's going to do it on autopilot for you. It is AI. It's automated software now. And now software is doing all this stuff on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, which means you don't have to work as hard anymore. Listen. It's a one-time opportunity. Listen, if you're number 11, it's still $2,000 a month. If you comment below, say, Wesley, I want to work with you. Great. It's $2,000 a month. But if you're one of the 10 people that's ready to get started right now, you're just sick and tired of the job, you want 2022 to be an amazing, profitable year, you're tired of not making money, listen, go get the, I'm using the software. This is why I'm creating many channels just like this one. And as a matter of fact, here, let me show you my analytics. So you can see that I'm making money here. As you can see here, bada boom, bada bing, look, boom, that's $24,000. I'm using the software. It's right there in the link. It just does what took me 5 years. It does in less than 30 days. It's powerful. It can be yours right now. Like I said, first 10 people who click that first link that says Do It For Me West, it's basically an automated software. It's the most powerful thing on YouTube I've ever seen. I'm using it. People that I know that does very well on YouTube using it. Why not you? This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Later.